Hello, fellow travelers. I'm Samantha Brown, and I believe travel is about connection, finding places that make you feel at home, no matter how far you roam. Today, we're heading to Lyon, France, a city bursting with history, food, and vibrant culture. Thank you for joining our community of curious explorers. If you love discovering new places, subscribe to our newsletter for travel tips and inspiration. Here at Places to Love, we don't just show you destinations, we help you experience them. Lyon is a city with layers, ancient history, modern energy, and hidden corners waiting to be explored. We'll wander secret passageways, listen to jazz in hidden cellars, and share meals with new friends. This is what travel means to me, authentic moments that become cherished memories. I'm so glad you're here to share this adventure. Let's begin our journey into the heart of Lyon, a city that knows how to keep a beautiful secret. And remember, we're in this together as a community of curious and kind travelers. Lyon is a city that reveals itself quietly, inviting you to look closer and discover its magic. Nestled where the Rhône and Saône rivers meet, Lyon's history as a silk capital and Roman stronghold is woven into every street. Walk through the Presqu'île and you'll see grand architecture, but turn a corner and you'll find vibrant street art or a bustling market. Lyon's true character lives in quiet courtyards, narrow alleys, and behind unassuming doors. The Lyonnais cherish their city's secrets, hidden gatherings, pop-up events, and intimate venues known mostly by word of mouth. This underground culture isn't about exclusivity, it's about authentic experiences and community. Around any corner, you might stumble upon a jazz club in a cellar or a dinner party in a private apartment. Lyon encourages you to be more than a tourist, to join in and become part of its living story. That's exactly what we'll do. Step off the beaten path and into Lyon's vibrant, secret heart. Get ready to discover the city's hidden world. Here, every adventure is a chance to connect. Let's dive in and see what surprises await. Lyon's secrets are waiting for you. Lyon's Traboules, hidden passageways threading through buildings, are one of the city's most magical features. Built centuries ago, they allowed silk workers to transport delicate fabrics safely and secretly. Today, pushing open an unmarked door transports you into silent courtyards with spiral staircases and Renaissance arches. The city's noise fades, and you feel like you've discovered a secret garden. These passageways aren't just shortcuts. They're a living part of Lyon's social fabric. During World War II, the resistance used them for secret meetings and escapes. Many Traboules are still part of residential buildings, so exploring them offers a glimpse into daily Lyonnais life. In Vieux-Lyon and Croix-Rousse, finding Traboule is a treasure hunt. Only about 40 are open to the public. Look for subtle signs or try a mysterious door. Each discovery is a piece of Lyon's hidden world. The Traboules teach you to look beyond the obvious and appreciate the city's secrets. They're the perfect introduction to Lyon's spirit of discovery. Step inside and let the adventure begin. If Lyon had a soundtrack, it would be jazz. Smooth, soulful, and alive in the city's hidden corners. Jazz thrives in Lyon's cozy, intimate clubs, many tucked away in ancient stone cellars. These aren't flashy venues. They're warm, welcoming spaces where music connects everyone. Imagine following faint music down a quiet street, descending stone steps, and entering a vaulted cellar glowing with soft lights. Inside, a live jazz trio fills the air, and strangers become friends over wine and song. You don't need to be a jazz expert. The love for music is contagious. Locals and visitors gather, united by the shared experience. The musicians play with passion, making every performance personal. These jazz cellars are a vital part of Lyon's culture, carrying on a tradition of live music and community. Finding them is half the fun. Many are only known through word of mouth. Once inside, you're welcomed like family. In Lyon, the sound of jazz is an invitation to join the city's soulful story. Let the music lead you to Lyon's heart. Lyon is the gastronomic capital of France, but its most memorable meals might be at underground supper clubs. These private dinner parties, often in someone's home or a secret location, offer creative food in a personal setting. A chef, professional or passionate home cook, hosts a small group, crafting a menu with local, seasonal ingredients. Guests book a seat, sometimes learning the location only hours before. You arrive, sit at a communal table, and strangers quickly become friends. The chef shares stories behind each dish, and conversation flows easily. It's a dining experience built on connection and curiosity. You meet locals and travelers, sharing laughter and incredible food. Each supper club has its own personality. Some focus on modern French cuisine, others on international flavors. The element of surprise is part of the fun. It's an adventure for your taste buds and a chance to feel like a true Lyonnais for an evening. Sharing a meal is the best way to make new friends. In Lyon, every supper club is a celebration of food and community. Lyon's hidden social scene includes secret parties and pop-up events that transform ordinary spaces into magical places. These gatherings, shared through social media or word of mouth, celebrate music, art, and community. One night, you might dance in an abandoned warehouse. The next, watch an art show in a private courtyard. Organized by creative collectives, these events focus on building inclusive, memorable moments. Imagine dancing under the stars on a rooftop or watching a film projected onto a historic wall. The variety is endless: clandestine dance parties, vintage markets, poetry readings, and open-air guinguettes along the river. These events showcase Lyon's creative energy and offer a direct connection to its culture. Attending a secret party lets you see the city through the eyes of its artists and dreamers. It's a chance to meet locals and experience Lyon's ever-evolving social life. For one night, you become part of the city's living pulse. So, how do you find Lyon's secret spots? It's easier than you think, if you're curious and open. Start online. Instagram, Facebook, and local event sites like Le Petit Bulletin and Lyon City Crunch often list pop-up events and hidden gems. Use an online translator to navigate French-language sites. Don't hesitate to ask locals for recommendations. Baristas, shopkeepers, or fellow cafe-goers are often happy to share their favorite spots. A simple, "I love jazz, any local places," can unlock a world of suggestions. Most importantly, wander and observe. In neighborhoods like Croix-Rousse, keep your eyes open for unmarked doors or the sound of distant music. Look for flyers in independent shops. Sometimes the best discoveries happen when you're not looking for anything in particular. Let your curiosity guide you. In Lyon, getting a little lost is the best way to find what you're seeking. Adventure is just around the corner. As we explore Lyon's hidden gems, remember, we're guests in these special spaces. Respect is key. Walk quietly through Traboules. Don't linger in private courtyards, and never open marked doors. At supper clubs or secret parties, be open, friendly, and thank your hosts. Support local creators. Buy a ticket, a drink, or a piece of art. Protect the secret. Share the spirit of your discovery, not the exact address, to keep these places authentic. Encourage others to have their own adventures rather than revealing every detail. Leave places as good as or better than you found them. Support independent businesses and learn a few words of French to show respect. Responsible travel means connecting deeply and preserving what makes a place special. By traveling with heart, we help keep Lyon's magic alive. Every respectful guest helps sustain the city's unique culture. Let's be the kind of travelers who give back as much as we receive. That's how we keep the world's secrets beautiful. Our journey through Lyon's secret side ends here, but yours is just beginning. We've explored Traboules, hidden jazz cellars, and imagined supper clubs with new friends. Lyon rewards curiosity and welcomes you into its story. I hope you feel inspired to discover your own favorite hidden corner. Travel is about discovery, connection, and the memories we create. Whether you find a secret party or a quiet courtyard, you're connecting with Lyon's true spirit. Join our community for more stories and inspiration. Subscribe to our newsletter. Let's keep exploring the world's beautiful secrets together. Your adventure in Lyon is waiting. Go with an open mind and a happy heart. The real journey is about how you travel, not just where you go. Happy travels. I hope to see you out there on the road.